Hello, ladies. Hi. Okay, this is a recording of the class you should have had with me today. Because of personal issues, I won't be able to join you. But this recording is going to help you understand the topic, and I'm going to show you your learning activity. Remember, we're talking about Xinca culture. So, going back, this is your last cross cultural class of the year, so I need you to pay attention and be very careful. Remember everything we have been talking before? And in the reading comprehension we're going to do, because that is your learning activity, I'm going to be able to explain paragraph by paragraph some parts that I consider that are very important for you. Although you need to read to learn the details. Okay? So I'm explaining to help you, but you also need to read it. I won't tell you the details. Okay. In the first paragraph, as you can see here, we have Xinca Cosmovision and Traditions. That is your title. Remember that for doing reading comprehensions, you have to take notes, you can underline, you can use keywords, you can look for phrases or special words that you see that you don't understand. You need to do these strategies to have a very successful reading comprehension. Okay. So it says the title, Xinca Cosmovision and Traditions. In the first paragraph, you're going to be understanding as an introduction to the reading that this is the cosmovision. How do they see the world? Remember that cosmovision is the way that they interpret, the way they see themselves and what is happening around them. So that is the first paragraph. Paragraph number 2 talks about the elements of the cosmovision. The cosmovision for Xincas is very different than for Garífunas and for Mayans. They have actually something called elements. So you're going to learn in paragraph number 2 about which elements do they consider part of their cosmovision and which elements are basic and key for them depending on the structure they have. So you're going to read of each one of them and how are they involved. Paragraph number 3, you're going to talk about a person, a character. Her name is Nana Michaela. You're going to understand in paragraph number 3 why Nana Michaela is important for them. How is she part of the cosmovision? How do they see the world? You have to remember that Xinca community lives in very dry places and they have drought. That means that is a climate phenomenon we study in Unit 1, where it establishes that they have very few rain or almost no rain. Remember, the analysis says that if you don't have rain, you don't have food, practically because they live from the land. So everything they cultivate, everything they do in their crops, if they don't have enough water, enough rain, their consequence is that they won't have enough food. And this is where Nana Michaela is very important in their cosmovision. Also here, in the following paragraph, you're going to learn about how do they see themselves. They believe they have the special power of attracting water. So Xincas have 3 different type of characters in their communities. We have the Tecuanes or petitioners, the guardians, and the repellers. And this is what you're going to be looking at. Also, in the last paragraph, you're going to learn which is the role of these 3 people and why in their cosmovision they found that these 3 people actually are part also of the community. Are they special? Are they magical? In their reading, you're going to find this. Okay. I need to understand something. Practically, in a conclusion, the Xinca see themselves as friends or brothers with nature. And as you remember, Garífunas, for example, they see themselves as part of nature. So you can establish how different these 2 cultures are. I need to remember Cosmovision is the same way. They see themselves in nature and with nature. So here, I need you to be very careful and take notes in your notebook of very simple concepts that you're going to find in the reading. Any questions, ladies, any struggle, any problem you have, I will be able to answer your email in the afternoon. Because of the personal issues I'm having, I cannot answer you in the morning. But in the afternoon, if there is something that you need me to help you, I'll be there for you. I'll give you enough time tomorrow to deliver if you have any issues with internet. Otherwise, I'll be waiting for you today in the afternoon. Please take care and I miss you. I'll see you next class. Have a nice day, ladies.